Hi, welcome you all. In this video, we will see about matrix operation. So you all know matrix operation, right? That is, matrix is which has a rows and columns. Okay, so matrix operation is doing some addition, multiplication, subtraction, or division using matrix values. So here, what I'm doing is I'm creating a matrix default. Okay, so I'm creating a constant matrix and I'm assigning it in a variable. So this is a 3 cross 3 matrix, so I'm assigning some values here. So this will be like 1, this is the second, and this is the third one. Okay, so 3 cross 3. So in B also I'm allocating, and what I'm going to do is in C only I'm going to store whatever. If I'm doing A plus B, that will be stored in C. If I'm doing A minus B, that will be stored in C. So I'm creating a zero matrix. So what it is like, because in order to avoid garbage collection, I am storing it here. Okay, I'm declaring it as a 0. Okay, so you can also simply create C. Okay, that is also not an issue. In order to avoid some problem, I'm just allocating it as a 0. Okay, and initially I'm finding the length of A, that is the length of the first matrix A, and the length of another matrix B, that is len. So len is a function which is used in Python to find the length. So next what I'm doing is I'm finding the that is I'm doing some calculations that I'm looping it. Okay, so for I in range length of A, so print it's a matrix A, so it will be printed as a matrix A. In this I'm printing the matrix A in a matrix format. Okay, like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 in a row and column wise. So I'm using this for loop here. Okay, for I in range length of A, print matrix A, and then the tab a slash t is used to create a tab space. Okay, and second, for the B matrix also I am printing as a matrix format, in a matrix format. So I am using this for loop. Okay, using for loop only we can display the matrix, or we can do some operations in the matrix. So this is where I'm creating a function. Okay, this is user defined function you can create using def. Okay, def is used to create a function, and addition is the function name. Okay, so def, if you use def space some name, it will be assume that it is a function. So this is for addition. So I'm printing print matrix addition, and for I in range X, so this usually I think you know what it is happening. And for J in range Y, X is for I and J is for Y, because we have found this. Okay, so here we are doing a loop. In order to add two matrix we need this. So C of I comma J, that is I is for row and J is for column, is equal to A of I J plus B of I J. Okay, so this is for addition. As usual, the same thing for subtraction. So if subtraction, df to define a function, user defined function, and subtraction colon, and what I'm doing is I'm doing a subtraction here. Same thing for multiplication, I'm doing a multiplication here. Matrix division is actually not possible, so we are not doing that here. Okay, so choice, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the choice from the user. If the user wants to do addition, he has to enter 1, and if the user wants to do subtraction, he has to use 2. And if it is the multiplication, he has to enter 3. Okay, so if choice is equal to 1, addition. So what it is, this is the function name which I have declared here. This is the, so once he has entered choice 1, what it will do, it will go to this function and it will display the value. And if the choice is equal to 2, it will go to the subtraction function. So subtraction function is here, and it will display the value. Okay, and if the choice is 3, it will print the multiplication. And if the user has entered any other choice, it will print invalid choice. Okay, if we run this code, see what is happening. So this is what will happen. So first, initially what is printed is matrix A 11, matrix B 14, 15, 16, matrix B 18, 10, 9, and it will print the entire data. Okay, the data will be printed, and finally it will ask for the choice. Okay, if I enter 1, it will add matrix A and B, and it will print the value. Okay, so this is what the output. So hope you understand what is the concept. We will see I'll see you soon.